Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
Kids were eating jam. Mom came with jelly. They saw a jeep through the window. The jeep stopped in front of their house. It was their aunt. She came to visit them for breakfast. Eating together brings happiness. Sweet kids, let's meet with the new alphabet J. Its sound is J, 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 jug, J, J, jam, J, J, jelly, J, J, juice, J, J, jar, J, J, jeep. Dear kids, what do you like to eat jam with? Do you think jam is sweet? See you in the next lesson.